Don't buy a camera in 2026 until you watch this. Seriously. If you're a content creator, a traveler, or just someone who loves capturing high-quality memories, the landscape of handheld cinematography is about to be leveled. We are standing on the edge of a massive shift, and at the center of it all is a device that is small enough to fit in your pocket but powerful enough to challenge a Hollywood cinema rig. If you thought the Pocket 3 was the ultimate vlogging machine, you haven't seen anything yet. While everyone else was looking at mirrorless cameras and bulky stabilizers, welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. DJI was quietly working on a successor that doesn't just improve on the previous model. It redefines what a pocket camera can actually do. We are talking about a leap in sensor technology, a revolution in AI-driven tracking, and a physical design that addresses every single complaint users have had for years. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the most anticipated camera release of 2026. From the leaked specs that are sending shockwaves through the industry to the secret Pro model that might actually feature dual lenses, we are covering it all. If you want to know why professional videographers are considering ditching their $3,000 setups for this tiny gimbal, stay exactly where you are. This is everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The Pocket 3 blew us away with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, which finally gave us that creamy background blur and incredible low-light performance we craved. But for the Pocket 4, DJI is taking it a step further. We are looking at an enhanced 1-inch sensor that pushes the dynamic range to a staggering 14 stops. What does 14 stops mean for you? It means when you're filming a sunset, you won't lose the detail in the dark shadows of the trees, and the sky won't just be a blown-out white mess. It means your footage will have a film-like quality that usually requires a camera 10 times this size. And the resolution. While 4K is the standard, the whispers of 6K capabilities are getting louder. Imagine having the ability to crop into your footage and still have a perfect 4K image for your YouTube or TikTok. That is the kind of flexibility that changes the game for solo creators. But resolution isn't the only story here. Let's talk about speed. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to support 4K at 120 frames per second natively, with some leaks even suggesting a mind-blowing 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. Whether you're shooting sports, cinematic B-roll, or just the chaotic energy of a busy city, the fluidity of this footage is going to be unlike anything we've seen in this category. Now, let's look at the body of the device. The rotatable screen of the Pocket 3 was a stroke of genius, and DJI is doubling down on that. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 2-inch OLED display that is significantly brighter, making it actually usable in the harsh direct sunlight of a beach or a desert. But the real quality of life upgrade is in the controls. For the first time, DJI is moving away from purely touch screen-based interactions. The leaks show a dedicated 5-way physical joystick and a separate zoom rocker. No more fumbling with a tiny screen while you're trying to track a moving subject. You'll have tactile, physical control over your shots. This is a clear sign that DJI is listening to the pros. They want this to feel like a tool, not a toy. And speaking of tools, let's talk about the built-in storage. This is a massive, leaked feature that has everyone talking. The Pocket